Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is my subject today. I have this image from 35mm reversal film. Well, I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type by Adobe Photoshop. Uses filter called Find Edges. Well, I'm gonna make something different, something exciting. Well, something impressive. I try to make something different image from these two. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna make the image like oil paint like this time. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Then one is just base image, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this image. Now use that oil paint brush as a smudge tool. Use oil paint round first. Okay, no ink, just no color. Just move around the pixels. Okay, from this, I gotta convert to pixel layer to touch the image. I don't see much high key image on oil painting. Most of the oil painting like a little bit low key type image I see well. And this time I'm going to try to get oil paint texture with this brush, oil paint brush. And this base image is sort of a little bit over high key image. So I don't know if it's going to turn, how it's going to turn. But I want to make something, well, kind of not heavy type. Light image. I scanned this from the old reversal film, so it's not accurate color. It's kind of desaturated, so I'm gonna add greens and some colors later. I'm gonna touch outside. I'm gonna touch faces later. But be careful with the details. Now I'm gonna change the brush to oil paint filbert to make it a little bit bigger. This brush is, to me, kind of soft touch, so I'm using this filbert to model skins because I don't want to get texture much. Now go for the face. It's not painting, it's just touching the pixels, colors. Okay, now I'm gonna go back around. Then after that, I'm gonna touch makeup, maybe some, add colors and stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna change the brush to now oil paint flat. Touch on a rough texture background. Okay, so overall touched. Let me touch up some. I kind of like oil paint flat texture, canvas texture to it. Okay, now I'm gonna make the oil paint detail. Now her eyes, I'm gonna paint this time. Add layer, then I'm gonna touch a blue line. She's got green eyes. I'm going to change the brush to basic soft round opacity. Now I'm going to add some color layer where I may change that blend mode to color later. Not much. Okay, now go back to oil paint detail and go to eyebrow. Alright, now I'm gonna add, this one is color, right? Like her hair, face, especially. This layer, just keep it normal. Then I'm gonna add another layer, change the brush, blend mode to color. So this one is color layer, okay, color for this, and this is just normal add. Okay, now I'm gonna add here, then I'm gonna add greens. A little bit more, give it some nice saturation. Yeah, that'll make a big difference. This color layer, so much difference. Okay, now I want to add some bluer color. Then add some yellowish. Okay, well, let's see. On this pencil drawing type image, turn it on, change the mode, blend mode, color burn, linear burn. Color burn gives more, sharper, and saturation, about 50%, a bit light, overlay. I kind of like this light image. Like summer. Maybe I can change the blend mode, normal to color burn, and maybe just gamma to bring up, lighten up. That'll make something like overlay type effect. I want more color, skin tone to be more density, so color burn, then bring up with gamma. Well, let me try this. This is now color burn 50, okay. Color burn 50 on pencil drawing type image. Then brightness contrast for whole image. Yeah, about 22. Or maybe 30, make it 30 now. Yeah, much lighter image. Okay, then add another layer on top, then paint frame like canvas brush, flat with white 100%. Just want some more texture, maybe Suzanne. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, kind of nice like image painting. Well, thank you guys watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and I really appreciate for you your support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.